everybody? Welcome back to the journey to my first $1 million. First of all, I appreciate everybody for being here, man. Clap it up for yourself. Turn up, man. Look, if this is your first time here, you wondering like, yo, what is playing some music? Yes, I do that every single video. It is just a friendly reminder to yourself that if you don't support yourself, if you don't find a way to cheer for yourself, you are not going to make it in this world. If you always need some outside validation, like you are not going to get it. And so every single video, that is how we're starting, okay? It's not changing the entire way to the first $1 million, all right? To my first $1 million. All right, so today, I want to cover budgeting. And by the way, if you've been enjoying my journey, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I say, I'm going to get better and better over time with all my videos, all my editing, all my everything. These things are going to just pop. Like, just watch how it works, man. But today I want to cover budgeting and why it is very important. Because recently, I just keep hearing from so many different people, yo, I just don't know where my money be going. You feel me? And why that sounds cute, in the moment, in the longevity of life, you're going to end up broke, okay? And so one of the things I use is if you all go to Google Sheets, okay, they already have, and you can do it on an app or you can do it on your phone, they already have auto-templated like budgets. There's a monthly one that you can literally just go and start using for free, and you can use it every single day to keep you on top of your ish and make sure that you know like exactly the amount of money you're spending, exactly the amount of money you bringing in, and what you should be having left over each month. And when it's great to think it in your mind, because I used to do that, right? I don't know about y'all, like when it comes to budgeting, have you ever in your head been like, I know what I make, I know what I can spend, and you still overspend? Yes, that was me. And so I realized when I can see it, and I'm talking about, I even put my laundry on there, right? So even if my laundry $3, I literally put my $3 in to make sure I got every single cent accounted for, and it has been a game changer. It will stop you from spending money that you don't really have to spend on those type of things, okay? And it'll start having you take a second look at your bills like, wait, is this worth it? Is this worth it? Wait, whoa, maybe I need to lock in a little bit more. You know what I mean? So I would definitely say go download that so that way you can be able to do it. But I want to speak on the second level of budgeting because people always talk about budgeting as if it's just about keeping you from spending money. I think the next level of budgeting, outside of just keeping you from spending money, is understanding what type of lifestyle you want to live, okay? What does that mean? That means that if right now you enjoy going out 3 times a week to fancy restaurants and doing all these amazing things, but it's costing you $500 a month, which is pushing you over your budget, right? That lets you just know, oh, I need to figure out a way to make $500 more because I love this lifestyle I'm living. Does that make sense? Like, don't look at budgeting as if it's holding you back or it's not allowing you to live your best life. The best part about it is it allows you to know what exactly you need to make to live the lifestyle that you want to. So if you want to own that fancy car, if you want to go out to all these restaurants, if you want to travel the world monthly, now you could look at it and say, oh, okay, to do that, I need to make another $2,000 or I'm going to be broke. How can I make that happen? And it now gets you moving. It gets those wheels turning, and it gets you being like, all right, bet. Well, let's get it. Let's get it. So for everybody, make sure you start budgeting. We're on week 2. As you clearly know, I'm budgeting to stay on top of my goal to be able to reach my first $1 million. And one thing that's going to be important with me in budget is just making sure it's timing, right? So I'm going to tell y'all something I changed recently. So, you know, I'm taking acting classes, right? And I'm right now looking at getting an agent. My headshots and everything are done. I got to get one more real footage, and I got to clean up my acting resume. But I was going to start taking stunt and fight and sword classes, right? But I'm thinking to myself, man, you don't even have an agent yet. You don't have this. That would literally cost you like another $200 a month. Like, is that worth it right now? And these are the questions you got to ask yourself. And for me, I've decided it's really just not. Like, putting out another $200 a month on these classes when I still have these other things to do to even get an agent, it's just not, the timing isn't there just yet. And that's okay. That's okay. Like now I just need to lock in on the things that I need to complete there to be able to be successful in that area. And then once I at least, it's not about me having an agent, once I at least have the rest of that foundational things I need to acquire one, then I can start taking the stunt and sword classes. Does that make sense? So it just keeps everything in such a perspective, okay? So hope you all enjoyed this video, man. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Are you budgeting? What is your thoughts on budgeting? Do you think it's worth it? Do you not think it's worth it? I would love to hear about it. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.